Are you fucking serious right now? Look at this glitch. Look at it. See that, Rockstar? See that glitch? You put the code in, and it fucking doesn't work. It fucking doesn't work. See? You press triangle and it keeps going back and forth. See that? See that, Rockstar? You guys are fucking idiots. That's pissing me off. See? I'll stop. See the guy? There. I'll press triangle. See? Triangle. Triangle. And look what he does. That's what he does. Those are the glitches in your fucking video games that absolutely fucking piss me off. But you know what? Oh well. That's stupid, you know? I can modify this with a computer, it'll be better. Fucking Rockstar, man. You guys are fucking idiots. Design awesome games and then put stupid glitches in them. I'm not even touching the controller. See that? Not even touching